The truth about your thyroid and essential oils, what no endocrinologist will tell you. The role of the thyroid gland for the overall health is of utmost importance. This butterfly-shaped gland is located in the neck, throat area, above the collarbone. It stimulates metabolism and controls the circulation of calcium levels with the help of the parathyroid gland. Unfortunately, most of us ignore the health of the thyroid until we face some kind of problems. However, the imbalances of the production of the thyroid hormone lead to numerous negative effects. This gland is a part of the endocrine system, which has a unique delivery system. Namely, it sends hormones to targeted organs and tissues. Essential oils are extremely useful in regulating the function of the thyroid gland, as they use the same delivery system. These oils support the functions of numerous organs and glands in the body. These are the most beneficial essential oils you can use to support thyroid health. Clove, Eugenia caryophyllata, essential oil is a product of the steam distillation of the bud sourced from Madagascar, and it is extremely beneficial for the function of the thyroid. Basil, Ocimum basilicum, is made from the steam distillation of basil leaves in the USA, and studies have shown that it promotes the health of the pineal, adrenal, pancreas, parathyroid, and the pituitary gland. Lemongrass, Cymbopogon flexuosus, is a result of the steam distillation of lemongrass leaves of India, and it is especially effective when combined with clove essential oil. Geranium, Pelargonium graveolens, helps the adrenal and thyroid gland function, and it is steam distilled from the leaves of the Pelargonium plant, indigenous to China. Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis, essential oil, which is steam distilled from the leaves of the rosemary indigenous to Morocco, triggers the function of the glands and brain. Myrrh, Commiphora myra, essential oil strengthens the immune system and supports the health of the thyroid. This oil is steam distilled from the collected resin of the trees thriving in Ethiopia. Frankincense, Boswellia farina, is made by a process of steam distillation of the resin from the Boswellia trees in Oman. It offers support for the work of the pineal, hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Sandalwood, Santalum album, is made from the wood of the santalum trees of India, and it is another way to improve the function of the pineal, hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Ylang ylang, Cananga odorata, made from the flowers of ylang ylang grown in Madagascar, supports the work of the adrenal gland and the thyroid hormone production. These are some alternatives to choose in order to use these oils to regulate the production of the thyroid hormone and support the function of this gland. Every morning, as soon as you wake up, you should rub a drop of basil essential oil on the adrenals. Every day, try rubbing a drop of myrrh essential oil, combined with coconut oil, over the area of the thyroid. You should combine the following oils in order to prepare a rollerball blend and use it daily on the bottom of the feet. 20 drops basil, 20 drops myrrh, 20 drops frankincense, 20 drops lemongrass. Use some coconut or jojoba oil to top off the rollerball. Essential oil usage tips. Aromatic hues. Mix 5–10 drops of the chosen oils into an essential oil diffuser. You can also apply the mixture on clothes, pour a bit in the cupped hands, or inhale directly from the bottle. Topical use. Dilute the chosen essential oil with some carrier oil, and apply it directly on the area of the glands or the corresponding reflex points on the feet.